Hey everybody, Jason with Starkey Products here, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our 4781 bed lighting kit for the 2021 and up F-150s. I'm going to open this up, and the first thing you'll see is our professionally manufactured wiring harness. This has got OEM connectors, wire covering from end to end. This is built at our facility right here in Central Florida. Most important of all, it is designed for your F-150. Next thing you're going to find are our bed lights and bed light extensions. These bed lights are comparable to OEM in output and quality. There is a parts bag with a wire tap, zip ties to secure all your wiring. And last but not least, there is a complete step-by-step installation guide included with every kit. We also have a QR code you can scan to watch our installation video. We take a lot of pride in what we do here, and we're really grateful for your support. Thanks for watching.